Guys, this Ghibli cozy video and ASMR videos are going viral. Guys, just have a look at this channel. Look at these channels I'm showing you guys. Look at this particular one, has almost 2.3 million views, and look at them, guys. These videos are blowing up. So in case you are looking for a particular niche to go into, these Ghibli videos are one of the niches you should try. These videos have very calming effects on audience, and they have a way of attracting people to your channel as long as you know how to do it the right way. And on this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys step by step on how to create videos like this that can go viral and also get your channel monetized within a very short period of time. So without taking much of your time, let's go straight into the screen recording. So the first thing we're going to be doing, guys, is we're going to be generating our scripts and then our images and our videos and everything that we need for this video. And I have a master prompt that is going to give us everything, so you guys don't have to worry, because I'm going to be sharing this prompt with you guys at the end of this video. This is actually a master prompt. This master prompt is going to give us everything that we need for this particular workload. Everything that we need, actually, this prompt is going to give us. So you guys just make sure you watch this video to the end and do not skip any part of this video, so that you guys will just understand it properly. All right, and work with me as I take you guys through a step-by-step tutorial on how you can also create your own viral Ghibli videos. So I'm going to go ahead and copy my prompt and then come back to ChatGPT and paste it right here. Now I'll go ahead and run it. Okay guys, so this is the outcome of the prompts that we just pasted. In the prompt, I actually told ChatGPT to give us 5 Ghibli videos idea, which it did. Look at it in the step 1. It has given us. Now I'm going to select one topic. All right, so which one are we going to be going with? So let's look at it. We have 5 options here. So guys, let's go with the first one, this summer holiday at Nini's village. So let me go ahead and copy. All right, then I will paste. Now you're going to be following the prompt here according to what ChatGPT. Look at ChatGPT is telling me to select one topic. So I'll go ahead and paste the topic and then I will run it. So it's going to give us the step 2 automatically. So that's how you're going to be following it one after the other. Now let's see what it's going to give us next. Now look at it. Our major characters for this story is ready. Now look at the next prompt. They're asking us, do you want your character design prompt? So you go ahead and just type yes and you run it. So these are our characters for the story. We have how many characters in total? We have about 5 characters. Now look at it. Next prompt, generate 30 nostalgic scene with character. So I'll go ahead and type yes. Guys, do you see how this is easy? I'm just using just one particular prompt to generate all this. You don't have to be doing copy and paste, copy and paste. Hope you guys are following me. So always look at the next prompt that ChatGPT is telling you below. So just go ahead and type another yes and then we run it. And ChatGPT is going to generate 30 nostalgic scene for us. If you want your own to be more than 30, you can go ahead and actually put yes, but make the scenes 35 or 40 depending on how you want it. Now these are the scene by scene prompts, all right, for our story. Look at it. All right, see, it's scene 1 down to scene 30. These are our image prompts, guys, that we're going to use to generate character by character. Now let's look at the next command that ChatGPT is giving us. Now it's asking us, do you want text to image prompt for all the scenes? So you go ahead and type yes and then you send. It's going to give us the text to image prompt. I want us to have all the workload, everything that we need before we now start generating our, images and then our videos. Now we have our scene by scene image prompt for all the 30 scenes. Look at it. All right. For all the 30 scenes, we have our prompt. This is the prompt that is going to generate all the characters that we need, the scene by scene character prompt. Now it's asking us, do you want image to video prompts with nostalgic ASMR sound? So you go ahead and type yes and we send. And the same way is going to give us a scene by scene image to video prompts for all the 30 scenes, just like we did in the first one. Guys, this is actually very easy and very amazing. And remember, I only use one master prompt to get all this. The only thing you need to do is to just type yes when ChatGPT asks you the next question, so you don't have to be doing copy and paste. This actually makes it very easy, and this will help you to enable character consistency. Now we have our video prompts ready. Now let's look at what next. Look at ChatGPT is now telling us that your full viral nostalgic Ghibli style video prompt system is complete. If you want next level virality, I can also generate. So we don't actually need that. We don't need any narration scripts. We don't need any dialogue for this particular video. Now I'm going to go back to where our character prompts are. Remember, we had 5 characters, right? We need to start regenerating the characters for the story first. All the main characters of the story, you need to generate them first. Then you can now start generating the scene by scene image. That's for the 30 scenes, just to ensure character consistency. So you guys can see here is our character prompts, our 5 characters in total. Look at it. We have the first character Aman, we have Raju, we have Choti, we have Nani, we have Master G. All right, I hope I'm pronouncing it. These characters are actually Indian characters, so you can actually change your own if you want to use a British or African or any one you want, but this is more of a Indian characters, guys. So now we're going to go ahead and start generating our images, and I will always recommend you use either Flow or Wix AI, but for the sake of this video I'm going to be using Wix AI. So just go to your browser and type Wix AI. All right, and you click on this Google Labs as usual. I've told you guys how to sign in and open an account with Wix AI. Even though from 30th of April or 31st thereabout, they will move permanently to Flow. So let's enjoy it before they move permanently. So I'll go ahead and select any of my email to log in. You can also do same from your own end. So you click on this browse gallery and then you click on enter tool. Now when you click on enter tool, we're going to check the aspect ratio. Make sure it's in 16:9 ratio if you're creating a long form video. But if it is a short form video, you can select 9:16. All right, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to be choosing the 16:9 ratio. Click on add image. Then you come back to ChatGPT, all right, and copy your first main character prompt. Look at it here, this Aman. So you go ahead and copy it. Copy. And then you come back to Wix AI. Look at this pen icon now, this subject. Look at the pen icon in the box. Just click on the pen icon. Then go ahead and paste your prompt into the box, and then you click on generate. Our first image is ready, guys. Now to generate the second image, remember we have 5 main characters, okay? You go ahead and click this plus sign just on top of this subject box again, just to add another box for you. Then you come back to ChatGPT and copy your second character. Copy the prompt for the second character. Come back and you click on this pen icon again. Paste your prompt. You generate. So this is how you're going to do for all the remaining characters. And when we have successfully generated all our 5 characters, that is when we will now start creating our scene by scene images, because without the main characters it will be difficult for you to create the scene by scene, just to ensure character consistency. All right, so I'll just go ahead and do the remaining 3 and then I'll come back so that we can continue. Now the 5 main characters that we need for our video, they are actually ready. Look at them, they are 5 in number. I've generated them. Now what we're going to be doing next is we're going to be generating the scene by scene characters. Now remember we have 30 scene in total. All right, so you go ahead and just cancel and it will bring you back to this interface. Okay, now what we're going to be doing next is we're going to go back to ChatGPT to where we have our 30 scene by scene image characters that we generated earlier. So you scroll down to where our scene by scene image character prompt is. Look at it here. Our first scene is a man sitting by a train window holding a steel worm. So you just go ahead and look at the people in this particular character. So I think here the person that we have among our main character in the first scene is just a man. So I'll go ahead and copy the first scene prompt, come back to Wix AI. So let me just take these images out, paste the prompt here. Now you click on this add image, you come back here and check. All right, so who is Aman? This is Aman, our first character. So you go ahead and check the box that the Aman character is. Then you go back. When you come back here, you're going to see that the Aman character is appearing just under your prompt. It's just to ensure character consistency, like I said earlier, and ensure it is in 16:9 ratio again. So we'll go ahead and run it and see what it's going to give us for our first scene. Beautiful, guys. Our first character is ready. All right, look at Aman. Aman is in the train. What we're going to do is you can go ahead and save the image, but then I also want to teach you guys how to animate your image at the same time, especially those of you that are not having money to subscribe to Grok, to Super Grok. All right, we all know that Grok is no longer free. If you can afford Grok, or you are having money to pay for Grok, go ahead and save your images and animate them in Grok one after the other. But if you can't afford Grok, I'm going to teach you how to animate your image right here in Wix AI. All right, how to animate your image right here in Wix AI. Now what you're going to do now is you're going to click on animate. Okay, then we'll come back to ChatGPT and come back to our prompt. Now you're going to come to the video prompt now for scene 1. You copy the video prompt for scene 1, copy, then you come back here. Now remember, Wix AI allows you to generate 7 videos in a day, if I'm not mistaken, or I think after some hours they can still, you know, allow you to do so. So you go ahead and paste your video prompt now, and then we run it. While it's running, you guys remember that during the time of Grok, we had more than 5 to 10 email address, especially if you're a new YouTuber and you're still growing. You can't afford money to, you know, be buying for all these paid apps. You just have to be smart about this. So you can still use those 5 or 10 Gmail accounts that you have to continue switching accounts to generate your videos. All right, you can switch that way to generate your videos, or when you're done generating here, you can go to Flow and also generate some videos there. It's going to help you. If you do it that way, it's going to be very, very easy for you to navigate through. All right, but if you can't do it like this, but if you can afford Grok, like I said earlier, or any image to video tool, you can go ahead and do it. But for those of us that can't afford it, please use this particular method that I'm showing you guys. Be generating your image and be animating them the same time. When you exhaust the number of video generation in this particular account, switch to your other email. All right, and continue animating there until all the scenes are complete. Now our video is ready. Let's look at what we have. Good. Now guys, you can go ahead and save your video. All right, just go ahead and download your video straight ahead. You know that your scene 1 already, you have your video ready, so you save it, then you cancel and come back. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this first one out again, then we come back to our image prompt again, then copy the image prompt for scene 2. All right, you guys, the image prompt for scene 2, so you go ahead and copy. And who is the main character in scene 2? We have Aman and we have Choti. Okay, I think Choti is the grandma. Let's be sure. Let's go back and check who Choti is. Let's go to our character prompt. Okay, H8, I think it's the little girl. That's Choti. Choti is the little girl. So you come back here and then you paste. Now you click on add image again, so you add the boy and then you add Choti. Okay, you cancel and then you come back, so you can go ahead and run it so that it will give us our scene 2 image. Okay guys, so look at it, our images are ready. So which one are we going to be using? Okay, let's go with this first one. Then you can go ahead and click on animate again. But if you have paid Grok account, like I said earlier, you can go ahead and save your image at this point, then you can go to Grok and animate them. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to be animating it here and now for the sake of those that can't afford it. So we'll still come back to where our video prompts are and copy the video prompt for scene 2. All right, okay, this is our video prompt for scene 2, so we'll go ahead and copy them, come back here and paste, then we run it. Guys, this is how you're going to be doing for all the scenes. Do it one after the other. All right, once you're done, once you exhaust your 7 video generation for the day, switch to another email and continue generating, or use Flow to generate some. All you need to do is, you know, just follow the workflow just the way I gave you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and, you know, animate like 2 to 3 scenes, and I'll come back and show you guys the outcome so that you guys can see. So guys, once you're done animating all your scene by scene images, what we're going to be doing next is we're going to come to CapCut and merge all our clips together. So we're going to be arranging our clips according to the scene. All right, just arrange them scene by scene, and you do little or no editing at all, and you're good to go. Make sure you add everything. I was able to do 14. I couldn't do all of it, so go ahead and add. Okay, so you can do little or no editing. For this VEO watermark, you can just kind of expand the photo a little bit just to take it out. All right, then check the aspect ratio to be sure is in 16:9 ratio. Very important, guys. Then you can add little transition, you can add the brightness. So I'll go ahead and do some little editing, and then I'll come back and show you guys the outcome.
Avila Mudu Bortera, Minina Riparkia, Visi the Te, Avar Parala Tingano.
So, and that is it, guys. That is just how it is. If you have any question, feel free to drop your questions in the comment section, and if you get to like the video, kindly do so, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well, guys. If you want the same exact prompt that I use for this video, just go ahead and type prompt in the comment section, and I will be sending it right to you. See you guys in our next video. Bye.